Welcome in these courses about WebAssembly module advanced analysis. So along these courses, we're going to discuss about multiple points, multiple advanced techniques that can be used in order to analyze a WebAssembly module. So I really hope you seen the first, I will say the first part, the first day of this training regarding WebAssembly reverse engineering, because I will assume that you already are aware with a lot of different points and how to do reverse engineering on WebAssembly module. So that's why. So if it's not the case, please take a look at the first day first. So first thing we're going to do will be to use instruction analytics and metrics in order to determine quickly some behavior and identify which functions are the most interesting to analyze. We're going to apply this technique directly to the analysis of a WebAssembly cryptominer, typically the cryptominer used by the Conhive services like 2 years ago. We're going to create some pattern detection rule using Yara, and I will show you how to determine which snippet of code is the more interesting to catch using Yara rules. Then we're going to discuss about like dynamic analysis and time tracking, execution tracing, and especially dynamic binary instrumentation, DBI. And we're going to apply that to some CTF challenges. Then we're going to discuss about anti-debugging technique and obfuscation, and also on the other part, disobfuscation of WebAssembly module. We're going to finally discuss about decompilation and SSA, single static assignment, so the kind of still in static analysis technique, but that will help you to handle and get a better view and a quick view of what is happening inside a module. And finally, finally we're gonna do one of my favorite parts of this training, actually, WebAssembly video game hacking. So I'm gonna show you how to directly modify the running WebAssembly module and modify the linear memory between the WebAssembly module and the JavaScript host. So that will be the goal, and we're gonna see how we can, by doing some modification on this memory, how we can impact the game and what we can do directly. So that is the global overview of the training. As I mentioned, it will be more advanced than the day one, and that's the main goal. It's to be even more prolific when dealing with WebAssembly reverse engineering. So I just need to say, okay, see you in the next video, and I hope you will learn a lot.